Hello, good day friends. In today's video, we are going to see how you can fix Gboard keyboard settings in Oppo. So let's start. Now to do that, I'm going to my notes and here you can see the Gboard is enabled. How to go to Gboard setting? You need to press this icon and now you are in your Gboard settings. For example, I need to change my Gboard theme. I can do it from here. As you can see, it is the preview. Let's say I like this one. So hit apply. Now you can see it is changed. And let's say I want to disable voice typing. I can also do it from here. So I hope you like this video. If you do like, please hit a like and subscribe and I will see you next video.